Hello and welcome to a new challenge, this time XLBI's Power Query Challenge 214 solved in Excel. So let's download the case. It's some table building thing with a little bit of sorting, nothing special. So should be done easily. So here we are. We should align the data per zoo and sort them alphabetically. So therefore, as this is a table, I need to use the reduce function. Initial value is given here, and my array is the unique zoo because we should sort after zoo. And now you see that you can use the reduce function as a map function, and I will use this in for this case. So therefore I will filter this and this if this is equal to B, and then I get, for example, here the list for the last one. If I now HSTACK A, so the initial value and the trailing value with the unique with the reduce function, I will get this list. And now I can also do here the sorting. So this is sorted alphabetically. So my sort index is 1 and 1 is the default, so I don't have to write something in here. And then alphabetically is also default, so I don't need to do something there. Now we also want to have a header. Therefore I VSTACK HSTACK B and count. Close everything. Now I have a header. Now I need to drop the first column, and I need an if NA because we have there spaces, and now you see it's the same solution as it should be, and it's done with Excel in just a few minutes. So what did we do here? We used the reduce function as a map function. And why? Because I have here an array that will spill down. And with the map function, I could only, so I map here to the unique zoo, so I could only map something that looked like this without all the rows down there. And therefore I use the reduce function here as a map function, and or with the possibility to have their larger arrays than the initial map array. Yeah. If you have any questions how to use this function, I will probably do a video about the reduce function in a few days. Otherwise, feel free to reach out in the comments. So this is second. It's a little bit shorter than my first initial answer. It's more on the shorter side. Yeah, it's basically unique mixed with reduce and a little bit of stacking, and then it could be that this challenge could be done easily in Excel. So thank you for your attention. I hope to see you with the next challenge.